Unforgettable stories out of Western Jamaica. This is the Trendsetter series of unsung heroes. In former years, persons with high-end vehicles in Montego Bay who required specialist repair jobs had to basically put the vehicles on a wrecker and send them off to Kingston to be handled by professionals there. Today, they no longer have to do that. In fact, persons from Kingston are now looking to Montego Bay to get the expert repair jobs they need. The man creating the automotive magic in Montego Bay today is Ricardo Pelty Gordon. Initially, Pelty had no ambition of becoming the masterful architect he is today.
First and foremost, it started from way back when, because the thing is, I wasn't this man of intention to do in the first place. Right? So upon doing all of that right now, there's a guy coming in our community and start do the job, and the moment he introduced me to it, I fell in love with the job. And from there, so everything take off. Right? So upon there, as time goes by and the years them pass and everything, this is where I am right now.
While Pelty did not go to any university or college to learn autotech, he is totally driven by his love and passion for repairing cars.
I have this passion for this thing, and it's a tremendous joy to really work on this vehicle and put them in the order where they should operate and everything.
His love and passion for the automotive world has caused him to find creative ways to improve his skills.
Yeah, that's something that first and foremost, we all have to have a passion for what we want in this life, because yeah, school is one, right? You cannot rule out school because that teach you the basic, but right now where I am right now, hands-on and the thing right now, it take you to a next level where there's some things that you cannot learn in school, right? There's nothing wrong with going to school for this, because you need it, right? But on the job right now, it take you to a higher level in this field right now. And once you love it and have a passion for it, you can achieve anything at all you want to do.
But the question is, who is Pelty? Where did he go to school? Did he do auto mechanics at school?
Antagonian first and foremost, right? So, and the school that I went to is formerly just Greenpoint. It turned out to Greenpoint School right now. So that's where everything started from, and that's where Pelty started out and everything.
Interestingly, Pelty did not do auto mechanics at school.
Right? No, not at that point in time. After I learned it from the guy that I told her I come inside the community, then I branch out and then broaden my horizon. I learned from a school, and I went away for some time, Japan, did some work there, learn about the thing some more, and here I am.
Going to Japan was a blessing for Pelty. In addition to going into a top flight garage, he saw professionalism at its very best.
Went directly into a shop where they technically do ever and anything right there. So that's where the Liverpool fall in love with European cars, because everybody is running away from European cars, so because of the technological stuff that has going on for it. You really have to pay attention to all of this that is going on, and it takes a lot out of you. And trust me, you have to really in love with this. As I said before, you have to really in love with this and have this passion for this job, because it at times it's challenging.
Yeah. Pelty is one who loves a challenge, and he is not afraid to take on any job.
You know, so that's where I excel that's where I excel right now, because the more challenging thing is, it brings this joy and it open up so much horizon with me right now that I want to attend to it, I want to talk it, I want to know how it operates, I want to know, you know, when they have that that feel and that joy, and they say, yo, no care what is going on, you can get it done. Doesn't matter who come or go on it or anything, you can get it up and run, because it basically everything come from one platform. Does not matter what amount of electronics you add in the car or take away, everything based on one platform. So what you have to do now in this, you have to pay attention, and not only pay attention, you have to come back to the basic. That's all the system is. You have to start back from the basic to end up to attend to all of this new stuff that they are putting, because it's not like anything new out of the norm. This is something already going on for years upon years.
While Pelty is the head of operations at his garage, unlike some bosses, he puts in as much hours as any other worker. His day usually starts at 5:30 a.m. and goes on until late into the night. He's all about doing what it takes to please his clients.
Alright, to be honest, I genuinely love to be hands-on of what I'm doing, because as I said earlier, the passion that I have for this, I don't want to lay back and allow somebody to do it, because I have to protect the image that I have right now. So anything that is going, I have an option, can, as I said, point out and to get this or that done. But doing this is my thing. This is my joy. This is my peace of mind. This is my happiness of doing this.
Because of the reputation he has developed over the years for his high quality service, there's hardly a conversation anywhere in Jamaica about a BMW that Pelty's name is not called, as he is considered by many as the master problem solver for that brand of vehicle.
First and foremost, in spite of anything that we are doing, we have to be humble in everything that we're doing. Right? So it does not matter who is there, who could do this or anything at all. You have to have this passion for what you're doing. Once you have a passion for what you're doing, there's no obstacle that you cannot overcome. Right? So it doesn't matter who is there, who is not there, or anything, or what they're doing, or what they're putting out. You have to know what you're bringing to the table, and you have to know what you're open or expecting the day to turn out for you.
Despite the challenging nature of the job and the long hours, Pelty does not see himself doing anything else in the near future.
15-20 years from now, supposed to be not doing so much of what I'm doing now hands-on. I would like to in the position that come in not so early, like 5 o'clock in the morning, but like somewhere between 9 or 10, observe what they're doing. If they have a challenge, I would ensure that I assist them with the challenge, point out it, and move forward from there. Right? Because we can't do this forever, and we need someone who can eventually take up a monkey from us, because knowledge is power. And as long as we have people around who care for that knowledge right then and there, we can create a next generation to do far better than what I'm doing.
While he does not have time for an active social life, Pelty has found creative ways to rest, relax, and unwind.
Alright, technically, as I said, it's a very demanding job, right? But you have to know to balance what you're doing. I don't literally have a life more than what I'm doing here. So I have to take a minute for myself throughout the day. I have to take like an hour just for myself, because if I continue down this road, they're gonna eventually burn out at some point in time. So you have to step back every now and then, take a minute, get some rest, get some food, breathe out the head, and it is very challenging. Sunday morning time from 6 to 10 football, 6 to 10 every Sunday morning, 6 to 10. That's the amount of time. After I finish, go home, have some breakfast, shower, and sleep. Right? Wake up the next morning, not correct.
Okay.
If I have to take a minute and go down, have a drink or everything, I do that occasionally.
Unlike some bosses, Pelty enjoys sharing his knowledge with his staff, as he believes in helping others to fulfill their dreams.
It's to be honest, it's a very, very great feeling to have young people around right now who genuinely have interest to want a trade, because it is so weird when you see a young person literally invest their time and energy in doing some form of dirty work or some form of trade or anything, because the realize that right now we need a trade. It doesn't matter what we do in life, we need something that we love, and we need to put ourselves in the position and go off it. We have to make ourselves so hungry for that. And without that, we're not gonna, the next generation, you know, if we don't put in the time and energy, the next generation take it up, you know, we're not gonna have anybody to do this.
Part of Pelty's mantra is to work in a professional environment which is clean and presentable at all times.
First and foremost, it's about the presentation of things, right? Presentation is key in everything that you're doing, right? Because it doesn't matter what you do in life, right? A person after have confident, you're big enough, have confident. A person watch how you bring yourself in, first and foremost, right? So if you come at me and see me dirty for 8 to 2, you want to say what's up, you're not going to allow me that much that close to your car. Depends, as I said, European cars and high-end vehicle. So you have to bring an image out there and put it on and maintain that image. Because being like this is where I come to work every day, and this is where I leave back from work, right? Coming clean. So I brought that over to them. So you bring yourself like this and everything, because they do so much for you in life, right? Because I can leave right now, went to anywhere in a business place, talk to anybody, right? The same clothes that I'm wearing right now.
While some auto techs are weary of working with the newer type vehicles, especially the high-end hybrids, Pelty is not intimidated, and his word is bring it on.
I can fix this because all cars I'm right now, the field I'm in right now, I'm doing all hybrid.
To make life easier for some of his clients who sometimes have a challenge securing hard to get parts, Pelty has opened a parts store to supplement his business. He also has solid overseas contacts to get the really difficult parts.
Anything you want, if you need, if you order something, I can do it for you as well.
In looking at the impact that Pelty is creating in Montego Bay, there is no question that he is one of those enviable trendsetters. Unforgettable stories out of Western Jamaica from the scrapbooks of Adrian Freighter. Before you go, please remember to subscribe.